Connect your Instagram page with your Facebook page. It's very easy and it's easier than what you think. And this is because a lot of people, and especially a lot of my clients, struggle to connect a simple business Facebook page with a Instagram profile. And I don't want that this happens to you. So in this video I'll give you exactly the strategy and show you step by step in my computer how you can connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page. And it's very, very easy. The main reason because you want to link those two pages together, it's because it can save you a lot of time, because every time that you post a new picture or a new video on Instagram, you add all the description, you add the location, the hashtags and all the information, and then you just click post on Facebook, and then your post will automatically go on Facebook. And you just need to post once, you don't need to post twice for every page, but you just need to post a picture on your Instagram profile, and then from there you can share your pictures automatically in other social network. And I can see that a lot of people think that this is a really complicated thing, it's something really, really hard to do, but at the end it's very, very easy. And as you will see soon, it's not hard at all. You just need to have your computer, your Instagram page and your Facebook page. But I can see that it's really, really hard for my clients, because I have a social media marketing agency and a lot of my clients really struggle and maybe they do mistakes by connecting these two pages. And make sure to do it in the right way, because if you don't follow this tutorial and you do it maybe in a wrong way, you will connect maybe a different page to your Instagram, or maybe you will mess up your connection between the pages and the final result is not great. So let's jump in my computer. So right now we are here on my Instagram profile, and as you can see here we are on Facebook. And make sure to follow exactly all the steps that I'm going to do. First of all, find your page. Go inside your main menu here and select pages. Now it's in Italian, but it works the same thing in English. And then go on your pages right here, and then you just need to find the right page that you want to connect with Instagram. For example, right now I have this page right here, From Zero to Success. It's a page that I've made a few years ago about business, but at the end I never started. Okay, right now I have here my Facebook page. Now you need to have into your mind your Instagram profile, the page that you want to link to this one. Then once you know exactly the account Instagram, you go under settings right here. Now as I said before, it's in Italian, but no worries, it works the same in English. And then you just simply go right here on the left menu and you click on Instagram. And then, as you can see here, you will find Manage Instagram on Facebook. And it's very, very easy. Here you can see that it's already connected to my Instagram profile with all my information. But if I delete here, I remove the connection, and as you can see you will probably have this same screen here where you have a page where you can manage Instagram on Facebook, and then you can simply click here on connect account, and here you just need to add the information about your Instagram page that you want to attach, and then you click here on connect, and then your page Instagram will be connected, linked to your Facebook page, and everything will be great. And as you can see, it's very, very simple. Anybody can do it. So now that you know exactly how to connect your Instagram page to Facebook and your pages are linked together, is now to take your Instagram to the next level, because you can acquire a ton of clients on Instagram. You can gain a lot of reputation based on your followers. And I have here this video for you where I show you the best types of content that you need to post in your Instagram for your business. I see you there.